Welcome back everyone to our Interior channel. The all-new Mazda CX-5 2026 coming later this year to replace the current generation, and according to the latest rumors, besides new tags, it will be a little bit bigger in all dimensions, with more room for all passengers and larger cargo space. We have rendered its exterior and interior with different color options. Please let us know if you like the new design of the upcoming Mazda CX-5 2026. While watching, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go!